Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are planning out the week of January 20th through the 26th. The kit I'll be using is from Fern Stickers. I believe this is the last one I bought the last time I ordered from her. So it's kit 241. I have the pattern labels, the sidebar, the date headers, the full boxes, and then the essentials kit. So this next week here is supposed to be freezing. I don't even know if we'll have school Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, or at least 2-hour delays. But let's look at last week's. I still need to fill in my steps. I still need to do softball. I've been off my game this week. Not too much has happened. I did get my nails done. We did book a cruise, so that'll be exciting to look forward to. Working on my son's project. My husband's aunt is in the nursing home. She's in a rehab facility, so we visited her, did a lot of working. So this was canceled due to snow, I believe, because we had a 2-hour delay. It was a cold week, so we are going to continue on with the coldness this week. Not much is going on that I can think of, except for on Monday my son has his wrestling match tournament. I'm not sure. This is our first year wrestling, so I don't know for sure what it's called, but he's excited about it. So I'm excited about it. All right, let's see. We're gonna put the date headers in here, this little space. So we are gonna do that on Monday. Got a couple dance classes. Gymnastics is going well. So this week I definitely need to sign the kids up for their baseball and softball. I have until February, so it's not like I need to do it, but I want to do it so they get on their previous teams. Because that's nice when you already know the kids and people. And I think they play better too when they've already kind of know how each other plays and everything. So there is that. I'm going to put down this thick washi on the bottom. My niece has started her CNA hours. She's in high school. She's a senior, and she has started doing her training hours at the place that I work, because I'm a CNA, and she cracks me up. She's like, "You'll never believe what so and so did." I was like, "Yeah, I can." But oh my gosh, I just love it. I like that we can share something like that. She's gonna go on and further her career. I have zero intentions on being a nurse. I think I am made to be a CNA, so we're just gonna stick with it. Okay, let's do the sidebar. Sorry, we're flipping around here. Let's do Winter Wonderland up top. That will make the most sense here. So I am going to go from the second line. And then take this little swatch here and put my to-dos. I did have my weigh-in last week at work, and I'm down 10 pounds. So that's exciting, but now it's my time of the month, so you know, that just means it's gonna be a rough week ahead. But that's okay, we'll get back to it. Let's use, what did I use this week? A little paper tear. Here it is. But I feel like I'm doing pretty good with my steps. I do need to work out more. I took all my weights to the place that I teach at, my dance classes, because one of the owners teaches like a HIIT class there, and he needed some more weights. So I took all my weights from my downstairs, like little home gym, and so now I have nothing here. Let's do this for my currently reading. I don't I haven't started a book this past week because usually I have a really busy week at work and then I have a not so busy week. So I will start one this week for sure. But I am going to put this here. And then I'll put my to-dos there. I think I'll just use these little snowflakes, kind of like I did before. Do I want to separate them? I don't know. They're kind of big, I guess. Why do I feel like there was smaller dots last week? Because there was. I didn't use these. Just kidding. Maybe I'll use those somewhere else. These dots are what I used last week. That makes more sense. But yeah, it's supposed to get freezing, like negative temperatures, not just the real feel, but like actual temperatures are supposed to be really cold Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thankfully, I'm off Tuesday and Wednesday, so if they do cancel school, I'll get to hang out with the kiddos all day. All right, let's go ahead and do the normal work and school. I really like her kits. I'm sad that she has taken a break because it kind of comes with everything I need. I did order a couple kits from Daily Dose of Stickers, so I'll be using those. I got a couple kits from Samurai Stickers that I'll be using. So it's nice to kind of order from different shops, but then it's like, I'm missing this and this, so. But it's alright. We'll make it through. Okay, so as always, I fold my scripts. So I'm working. He's working. Like that. Now, for our kids in my town, they go to school on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I know where I grew up, we did never go to school on that day. So I don't know what exactly that's about, but they're going to school. Okay, so Monday we have that wrestling meet. So I'm actually leaving work a little early, and it was funny because we just had our monthly staff meeting, and I told the head nurse of where I work, I'm like, hey, just let you know, I'm calling in. And she's like, what? Why? We need you here. And I was like, because I'm not missing my son's wrestling meet. He only has 2 this year, and I'm not going to miss him. And she's like, well, I'll come back for you and work that hour. So that was sweet of her. So she is going to come back and work my hour so I can go to his meet. So she's really great. She just got this position and she's rocking it. All right, so Tuesday, I don't think we have anything Tuesday except for I have to go here like so. Wednesday, school, and then wrestling and dance. So I'm going to put dance on this little thing here. And then some of these little pattern boxes. And another one there. I've used all my dance fitness. What? My cat is like, let me out of this room. I don't want to hear you talk. Yeah. Anyways, I used all my dance fitness scripts from Simply Smith Stickers, but I do have these dance ones. I think that's it for that side. Now we will go to this side over here. And here. Oh, I might have to take that up because I don't want to put these 2 blues next to each other. because it's my husband's weekend to work. That's just too much light blue up there, so we'll switch those up. Okay, so Thursday, it's actually our day off together. We have that every other week. And then I work Friday. Well, let me put that over just a smidge. And then he works those days. There we go. Bless you. And we'll do the school. I think my son wants to go put in applications this coming week for a job. So that's new and exciting. There we go. Okay, so Thursday the 23rd, I think we have our chiropractor appointment that day, finally. It's been 2 weeks and I am feeling it. Usually it's around 10:30. I'll put 10. But usually it's about that time. And then this in here. My weeks are kind of all the same. Every other week is going to be the same, but it's still fun to do. And then Friday, we just have gymnastics. Here. And then I go, do I have dance? No, I have dance Saturday morning. Okay. So gymnastics here. Private bay there. And then it's my longer dance class on Saturday. We'll put that one in. This big old box with this tiny script. It's fine. And then the 25th, I'm actually doing a sign painting party with my friend Shanna. It's like a vertical thing and it says home, but the O, you can change it out for like the season. So there's like a heart and I don't know, a pumpkin, things like that. So I'm doing that at 12. I think it's like 12 to 3 or something, but that's fine. And then I will go to work. Oh, I messed that up. Great. Dummy. Good thing her stickers are removable as well. Try that again. And there. One more. And there. Like so. Okay. And then Sunday, I won't be doing anything but cleaning. Okay, let's put our weekend script in. Down at the bottom here. Love that. Something is crooked there, and I'm not sure what it is. If it's no, it's the box. I can see white. Like a lot of white. There we go. Okay, so let's see how that looks. I don't know if I'll be able to put a full box that day. Let's put in trash and such. She does have a trash sticker. Come on. And we will put that on here. Except for I don't think it'll run that day, so it'll probably be this day that it actually runs. And then my grocery day will probably be Thursday or Sunday. Oh, wait, no, we get paid on Friday. So we'll put that down here. And then use that day off sticker. That's cute. Oh well. Okay, let's do full boxes. It's the coziest time of year. We'll put that on Tuesday because it's Monday off. And then we want snowy ones on Monday and Wednesday. Put this up here. And this yellow one down here. Looks good. And then I'll do this Let It Snow right in the middle here. This tree is beautiful, and I think I want to do yellow next. Only a couple yellows. So we'll put that here. And then this down here. And I'll use a snowman. He's pretty cute. And then I'll do my cleaning list under. So let's get the, how about let's do this. Switch it up a little. Put that here. And then this script is my favorite script. I love it so much. And I'll put that, and then I'll use that other little tracker box thing right here for that. Actually, I'm gonna move that up just a hair. I will probably do more than that, but it's okay. Okay, so done with that. Done with that. I need to put grocery shopping on here. So let's do, I want to do it on here, or what do I want to do? We'll just do that one. Actually, I might go Wednesday because that's when all the stuff at Aldi comes out, and they come on at, or they open at 9. So I will do that. Perfect. All right, I think that's it. We don't have any birthdays that I believe. Let me see. Pretty sure I don't have any. Nope. So let's fill this out real quick. So I'm going to work 6A to 5P. Baseball and softball again because I suck, but it's okay. So I'm going to put wrestling meet at 5:45. I want to get home and shower and stuff before it. If you know. Oh, I can put this little shoe here. By the little steps. Put it down the bottom. That's cute. So I'll put the book that I'm reading there. And then on this side, I really need like a chiropractor. I might have a sticker somewhere that says chiropractor. I'm going to leave that blank. And then this is sign painting with Shanna. She's actually the one I'm going on the cruise with, my husband and her fiance. So that should be exciting. And then this day, I work 6A to 6P. Alright, so I just have to find a script for that box. And I think that's pretty much it for this plan with me. So again, this kit is from Fern Creek Stickers. Next week I will be using, is it February? Oh my gosh. So I have a Sarah Marie Stickers February kit. So that'll probably be the next video that you see. And then we will get into our February kits. I have some Sarah Marie stickers, some Daily Dose of stickers. I think that's it for right now. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys.